Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and I don't want you to be confused about how to build a business online. I think a lot of people overcomplicate this way too much, and so today I want to give you the very simple business model that you can use to build a business online with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Hey, this is Daniel P. Robertson, and this channel is all about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you don't want to miss out on any of the money-making training videos I have here on the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Okay, so we tend to overcomplicate this thing of building a business online. We make it way more difficult than it needs to be. And I know that my biggest regret is that I did the same thing. I overcomplicated it, and I told myself it was too hard. I told myself I couldn't do it. I told myself I didn't have what it takes, and I let my fear stop me from taking action, which of course I didn't take action, so I didn't get any results. But what I found is that building a business online can be extremely simple. And so I want to simplify it for you here today so that you're not confused and so that you don't waste time not taking action because of your fear, because of your self-doubt, or because you think it's harder than it actually is, because you're making it harder than it actually is, or because maybe fake gurus are making it sound harder than it really is because they want you to buy from them. Okay, so let's kind of dive into this here. It's a very simple three-part process that you can use to build a business online with affiliate marketing. The first part is you need a traffic source. There's different ways to get traffic online. There's paid ads that you can run. You can run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. You can run ads on, Pinterest or Twitter, or you can do display ads. There's plenty of ways to advertise online if you're looking to use paid advertising. There's also plenty of ways to grow your traffic online, to generate traffic using free methods through content marketing and social media marketing. You can do it on Facebook, just publishing content on Facebook or interacting with people on Facebook. Usually this would be done in Facebook groups. So you build relationships through Facebook groups, then you use those relationships to build your business, to recommend a product to those people that you're building that relationship with. And it's a value-added type of thing. So you're going into the groups, you're adding value, and you're adding value through these relationships, and then they trust you that when you recommend something to them that they help them, then they'll buy from you. Okay, but that's one traffic source. There's other traffic sources, free traffic sources. There's blogging, and there's different ways to grow a blog too. You can use search engine optimization. You can use Pinterest. You can use social, you can do guest blogging. Okay, and obviously another traffic source is YouTube, which is what I'm using here in this video, and then to grow my business, I'm using YouTube. And so the idea there is to publish videos around keywords that people are searching for, so mostly be like how-to videos and things like that, instructional videos. So you'd publish those videos to YouTube, and over time, as you continue to publish consistently on YouTube, then you're going to start to get views on your videos, and then that's how you build traffic from YouTube. And there's other traffic sources. There's of course Instagram and Snapchat, and there's all these things. Okay, so my recommendation for you is to pick one platform, one traffic source, focus on that one thing until you get really good at it. So me, I'm focusing on YouTube. I'm not really messing too much with these other traffic sources, unless it's as a way to help grow my YouTube channel. Okay, so the next part of this three-part process, the simple process for building a business online, is that you need a conversion mechanism. A conversion mechanism would be a sales funnel, okay, which includes a lead capture page, which if you don't know what a lead capture page, it's simply a page that's designed and optimized for one thing, which is getting people onto your email list. So all it would have is a headline that tells people why they should opt in. They're going to get some kind of free training or free course or free coupon or free video that they're going to watch, or whatever it is, something free that they can access after they put in their email address. And then it's going to have the form where they can put in their email address and hit submit. That's really all you need for a lead capture page. It's a very simple, clean page that promises some kind of benefit and then offers them that benefit in exchange for an email address. That's all you need for a lead capture page. Then the sales funnel will also include an email campaign to send out to the new leads to follow up with them. And the sales funnel will include other pages such as a thank you page and a page to kind of talk about your offer, to pre-frame their offer of why they should get the offer. It all might also have, and some of these are optional, it might also have like lesson pages. If you're offering a free training, it might be like a 5-day free training. So lesson 1, lesson 2 through lesson 5, those are different pages as well. Okay, so then the final third step of this process is you need an offer. You need an offer, something to sell in order to make money. And people buy things based on value, something that's going to bring value into their lives. So you want to find a good offer that really has value for the audience that you're promoting. And this could be an affiliate offer. We're talking here in this video about affiliate marketing, but it can also be your own product or your own service. But affiliate marketing, I think that's the best way to go. So you'll go and find a product that's already been created that solves the problems of your target audience, and you'll offer to that through them, and you'll do that through the process of the sales funnel. So the sales funnel will collect the leads, and then the other pages in the funnel and the email follow-up sequence that goes along with the sales funnel will help to kind of explain the offer and why the offer is good and why they'll benefit from the offer, how they'll benefit from the offer, and why they should get it. And that's basically the whole process. Build an audience through either advertising or content marketing, get that audience onto your email list, and then offer products and services that you can earn money on that can help them reach their goals and solve their problems. That's really it. Now, if you want to learn how to do this effectively, if you want to learn marketing, and if you want to learn copywriting, and you want to learn how to frame the offers correctly, and how to build the sales funnel, and how you can even get a done-for-you sales funnel that's already been set up for you, then check the link down below this video for my #1 recommendation to become a super affiliate and earn passive income online. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notified of the future money-making training videos that I release when I release them.